James and Max here, and welcome to Pixel Profits. We are in such a crazy time right now. It wasn't that long ago that people would say, wow, you can make AI images? That was like such a crazy thing. But we've moved so quickly past that. And now that most people know that they can make AI images, what people are missing is the fact that you can get crazy traffic, that you can get crazy money from these AI images. That's what people don't realize. Now that we have this power, now that we can make these things so quickly and efficiently, this is the biggest shift in marketing that's out there, because guess what? You can take these images when done the right way and get them in front of literally millions of people that want to view these images. Here's the thing. Back in the day, video was new. And guess what? People were watching a bunch of cat videos, but they weren't making any money with it. Now there's a lot of people making money with video if they know how to do it the right way. That's where we're at with AI images. If you know how to use them the right way, anyone can make them, but you have to do it the right way. And when you do that, you get a ton of traffic, you get a ton of views, and you can make a ton of money. And that's what we're doing. We show you exactly how to make this and get it in front of people without having your own audience, without having any technical skills, without having any experience. You can create these things in seconds, get it in front of millions of people, and then drive that traffic wherever you want it to go. If that's to your own offers, if that's to affiliate offers, if that's to small business, if that's to whatever niche you want, you can now do it. The Pixel Profits method shows you exactly how to go after this. We're doing big things with this, Max. I know you're so excited to bring this to the community, and now everyone else can join this, because guess what? The room is wide open for those that take action. So I can't wait for people to get inside.
Yeah, guys, so if you want to be successful in your online business in 2026 and the years to come, the most important thing that you need is traffic. And I know for a fact that many of you have created these AI images in the past, but have you gotten traffic from it? No, I'm pretty sure you haven't. Now, we went ahead and we figured out a way that we've tested for quite some time now, a way that turns these super simple AI images into traffic. We post these AI images on these sites that already get millions of views on a daily basis, and then we redirect these people into our ecosystem so that we own that traffic and we can sell whatever it is that we want to these leads. Can be an affiliate offer, you can send them to your own website, whatever it is. Like, this is traffic on demand, and you only need to create these super simple images and then upload them to where we tell you to upload them, and this will get you traffic, and we turn this traffic into $90 per day on average. So this is something that you want to do, and make sure to click on the buy button down below, and then I hope to see you inside.